Hello and welcome to Azure AD Connect. In this lesson, we're going to take a look at what Azure AD Connect is, what Azure AD Connect Health is, and what they're used for. Azure AD Connect is a software tool that's used to facilitate hybrid identities. When you deploy Azure AD Connect into your environment, you can use it to configure password hash synchronization, pass-through authentication, federation integration, synchronization, and health monitoring. When you use Azure AD Connect to configure password hash synchronization in your environment, what you're doing is establishing a sign-in method that synchronizes a hash of your on-prem AD user passwords with Azure AD. Password hash synchronization essentially allows your users to sign into cloud solutions using their on-prem passwords. Pass-through authentication is another hybrid identity option that, like password hash synchronization, allows users to use their on-prem passwords in the cloud. Federation integration is an optional feature that's included with Azure AD Connect. If you wish to leverage an on-prem ADFS infrastructure to configure a hybrid environment, you can enable federation integration in Azure AD Connect. The synchronization feature of Azure AD Connect is the part that creates users, groups, and other objects in Azure AD by synchronizing them from the on-prem Active Directory. The health monitoring aspect of Azure AD Connect is actually provided by Azure AD Connect Health. What this does is provide robust monitoring and a central location in the Azure portal to view the health of your Azure AD Connect implementation. Organizations typically deploy Azure AD Connect so that their users can use the same identity to access not only the on-prem applications, but also cloud services like Office 365. This makes users more productive. And I should mention that Azure AD Connect is free and it's included in all Azure subscriptions. So now that we've covered Azure AD Connect and you know what it is and you know what it offers, let's take a quick look at Azure AD Connect Health. Now, Azure AD Connect Health offers robust monitoring of the on-prem identity infrastructure. What it does is allow you to maintain a reliable connection to Office 365 and to some different Microsoft online services. This reliability is made possible by the monitoring capabilities that are made available for key identity components. What you can do is view your monitoring data in the Azure AD Connect Health portal, which is the portal that you use to view alerts, to view performance monitoring data, and to view other information such as usage analytics. It's essentially a single pane of glass that you can use to view all information that pertains to the health of your key identity components. To leverage Azure AD Connect Health, all you have to do is install an agent on each of your on-prem domain controllers. Once that agent is deployed, Azure AD Connect Health will offer enhanced security, and it can even alert you to critical ADFS system issues. Azure AD Connect Health also offers rich usage metrics. Now, unlike Azure AD Connect, which is included in your Azure subscription, Azure AD Connect Health requires an Azure AD Premium P1 license to use it.